Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl back with another one. You guys, happy New Year's, happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, everything. It's been a minute since I uploaded a video, you guys. Honestly, a lot has happened. I know I always say this every time I go, missing or whatever. But you guys, it's so hard, working and uploading videos. But I just have to be consistent if this is what I want. So, I'm not saying I'm completely back because I don't want to, lie to you guys again. But I will try to upload more videos now. Now that my schedule is set. You guys, I'm so excited to come to you with a soft glam in 30 minutes. So this video is 6 minutes long. So I'm just here showing you how I achieve a soft glam in 30 minutes. I still go in with the same products and some new products for the brows. I went in with Morphe pencil and Java. And I did use Melani's concealer and natural sand, and I set those eyes. And now I'm going in with Beauty by Melissa Persuasion palette, and I'm going in with this orangey brown shade, and I'm just applying that into her crease. You guys, I missed you guys so much. It's like the love is still there. I'm just so happy, and I really want to record again. You guys, it's just been a lot, I do want to record a Valentine's Day makeup look. I will try to do that. I should do it Sunday and just get it over. I should do it Sunday to put this look that I've been looking at that I want to recreate. So yeah. So I went in with primer already. You guys, I use a replenishing primer. I believe it's from Born This Way. I'm not sure. And then now I went in with NARS foundation, and the shades are Macao and Marqueese. Now I'm going in with a natural sand, and this is in Melani to highlight. You guys, make sure you guys are following me on Instagram, because I still upload on Instagram, you guys. I have my clients, so make sure you're on Instagram. It's just I've done so many looks, you guys, and I'm telling you, I'm so upset I didn't record them, because when I say they bomb, sis. They bomb. So I just blended out the edges of that concealer, and now I'm going in with black opal and carob to contour her. I just want to give her a nice soft glam. Yes, so I applied that on her nose as well to contour, and I'm just blending that out. And here I am using this flat brush to blend out her contour. You guys, period, she looks so good. Now here I am going in with my Real Techniques. I'm going in with my Real Techniques setting brush, and I'm just using that to what is it? I'm using that to set the concealer under her eyes. Just blending all of that out, making sure everything is blended out very well, making sure that I am not messing up her lashes. And I'm still blending out her contour on the other side. I still need to work on my lighting, you guys. I almost got it, but I still need to work on it. I kind of want that nice room lighting or whatever, but I feel like my lights make everything just so bright, super bright. So sorry, you guys. I had to switch over to my phone because my camera died, and here I am setting her face with Accosmetics, and this is in No Shine. You guys need to go ahead and hit them up on Instagram. I love her setting powders. It's amazing. I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark, and I'm just setting that cream contour with this contour brush. And then here I am also carving out my contour. Period. And here I am going in with some blush. You guys, I am using the Crayon Case blush. I believe it's it's like a binder. Yeah, it's the Crayon Case binder. I love it so much, you guys. Go get it like right now. And here I am going in with a brown pencil, and I am lining up her lips, and I am applying NYX matte lipstick, and this is in Cairo, and I'm just applying that. And then I went over with some gloss, and then I also go in with Fortune Cookie from NYX lip gloss. I'm applying highlights, and this completes the look, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you comment, share, like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.